Waiters and waitresses of Reddit, what is the most awkward couple date you have ever witnessed at work? 1. They sat down and from the girl's body language, you could tell she was into him. As the date progressed she closed off, then sat pretty much sideways, then was playing on her phone. The body language shift occurred over maybe 1.5 hours. He didn't stop talking the entire time. She did give some nods and uh-huhs in response, even perked up a few times to contribute, but his monologue never stopped. 2. I don't really know if this counts because I think they were married. At a table, with 2 crying children. How are you doing tonight? What can I get you started with to drink? Father. Do you have a shotgun back there so I can blow my head off? The wife's glare at him was the scariest thing I've ever seen. I honestly hope that man is still living. 3. I was eating at a restaurant and heard the hostess ask a couple she was seating if they were out for anything special. The husband replied, "No, it's just our anniversary." It has inspired my father-in-law to drop that line almost any time he goes out to eat now. 4. I've told this one here before. I worked in a resort hotel, high-end, I waited